Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Oh Meow Easy English. We're really happy to have you here today. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. On this channel, we help you practice real-life English that you can use every day.
And in today's lesson, we're going to learn how to talk about your daily routine, one of the most useful topics for English learners.
Before we begin, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us a lot and helps this community grow.
All right, let's get started. Daniel, how are you today?
I'm doing okay. I'm a bit tired, but everything's fine.
Tired? What made you tired?
I woke up super early both days this weekend.
Oh, no. Really? Why so early on a weekend?
On Saturday, I took my dog for a long morning walk. He loves going out when the sun is just rising. And on Sunday, I spent the whole morning cleaning my apartment. So, it was a pretty full weekend.
Wow, that does sound busy. My weekend was much slower. I watched a movie and met a friend for coffee.
That sounds much more enjoyable than mine. Hopefully next weekend I can rest a bit.
I hope so too. But this is a good warm-up for today, because now let's talk about a normal day, from morning to night, our daily routine.
Good idea. Should we start with the morning?
Yes, let's begin there. So, Daniel, what time do you usually wake up?
I normally wake up at 7 a.m., but I don't get out of bed right away.
Oh, what do you do?
I stay in bed for about 10 minutes and scroll through the news on my phone. It's not a great habit, but I always do it.
I do exactly the same thing. It takes me a little time to fully wake up. So, after that, what's next?
Then I finally get up. The very first thing I do is make my bed.
Oh, you make your bed. Very organized.
Yes, it makes my room feel neat. After I'm done, I head to the bathroom.
Same here. The first thing I do in the bathroom is brush my teeth.
Me too. After brushing my teeth, I wash my face with cold water.
Cold water? Brr, that sounds freezing.
It is, but it wakes me up instantly. After that, I take a shower.
I also shower in the morning, but I prefer warm water. Actually, hot water.
A hot shower sounds great. Maybe I'll try that tomorrow. After showering, I get dressed.
Do you have to wear a uniform for work?
No, I don't. I usually wear something comfortable, jeans and a t-shirt. Sometimes I wear a nicer shirt. What about you?
I wear jeans too, but I often wear a blouse or a cozy sweater. I like being comfortable, but also looking professional.
That makes sense. You're a teacher. After I get dressed, I'm ready for breakfast. I'm always hungry in the morning.
Ah, yes, breakfast. What do you typically eat?
I usually keep it simple. A big cup of coffee and 2 slices of toast with butter. Sometimes cereal or eggs, but most days, just toast and coffee.
I love breakfast. I think it's the most important meal. I usually eat yogurt with fruit or make scrambled eggs. And I always drink tea.
Every morning?
Every single morning. I'm not a coffee person. I drink green tea.
More coffee for me then. After breakfast, I wash the dishes.
I also wash my cup and plate right away. I can't stand dirty dishes sitting in the sink.
Same here. After breakfast, I leave home and go to work.
How do you get there?
I usually take the bus. The bus stop is super close, only a 2-minute walk.
That's really convenient. How long does the ride take?
About 20 minutes. I usually listen to music on the way.
Nice. I walk to work because my school is very close to my apartment. Only 10 minutes.
You're lucky. You don't need any transportation.
I know. I enjoy it. What time do you start work?
At 9 a.m. You too?
Yes, I also start at 9. So when you arrive at the shop, what's the first thing you do?
I unlock the door, turn on the lights, start the computer, and open the cash register. I make sure the shop is ready for customers.
Do many people come in the morning?
Not really. It's usually very quiet. So I sometimes read or organize the bookshelves.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. What about your mornings at school?
I go to my classroom, put my bag down, and check emails. There are always a lot of emails waiting for me. After that, I prepare my lessons, write on the whiteboard, and get ready for class. I usually teach 3 classes in the morning, from 10 to 1.
3 classes. That's a lot. Do you get a break?
Yes, a small one at 11:30, about 15 minutes.
What do you do during your break?
I go to the teacher's lounge, drink more tea, and chat with my colleagues.
Colleagues. A great word. They're the people you work with, right?
Exactly. My colleagues are the other teachers at school.
I talk with my colleagues too. But my shop is small. I only have 2 colleagues.
Do you like them?
Yes, they're friendly. Sometimes we have lunch together.
Speaking of lunch, what time do you eat?
At 1 p.m., after my morning classes.
Same here. What do you usually eat?
I often bring lunch from home, a sandwich or leftovers from dinner. It saves money. But once a week, I treat myself and buy soup or a sandwich from a cafe.
I usually eat in the school cafeteria. It's cheap and the food is decent. I often eat pasta or a salad.
After lunch, I sometimes feel sleepy.
Me too. In the afternoon, I have 2 more classes, and sometimes teaching feels hard when I'm tired.
I understand. But the shop gets busy in the afternoon, so I don't really have time to feel sleepy.
That's good. What time do you finish work?
I finish at 6. Then I clean the shop, turn everything off, and lock up.
Sounds like a lot, but at least it's quick.
Yeah, about 15 minutes. How about you?
I usually finish at 5, so our workdays are similar in length.
So, after work, what do you usually do in the evening?
First, I go home and change into comfortable clothes.
Me too. Taking off work clothes feels amazing.
It really does. Then I start thinking about dinner. Do you cook?
Yes, cooking helps me relax. I usually make simple dishes, pasta, chicken with rice, or salad. But when I'm too tired, I order takeout.
I also order food sometimes, but I prefer cooking. I like making soup or fish with vegetables. I eat dinner around 7:30.
I usually eat at 8. After dinner, I wash the dishes.
Same here. I need the kitchen clean before I can relax.
After everything is clean, I finally do something relaxing. Sometimes I watch a show on Netflix or play video games with friends.
Video games? I've never played them.
You should try. They're fun. What do you do to relax?
I watch documentaries or read a book. Sometimes I video call my family.
That sounds nice. Do you exercise in the evening?
Sometimes I walk after dinner. What about you?
I go to the gym 2 evenings a week, Tuesday and Thursday.
Nice. I have my book club on Wednesdays and sometimes meet friends on Fridays.
That's a good routine. So then comes the bedtime routine. What do you do before sleeping?
First, I brush my teeth, wash my face, set my alarm, and then get into bed. Do you read in bed?
Not really. I usually watch videos on my phone, but I know it's bad for my sleep.
It is. The screen light is not good. I prefer reading a book before sleep.
You're the second person to tell me that. Maybe I should try it.
What time do you go to sleep?
Around midnight. I get about 7 hours. You?
I sleep around 11. I need 8 hours.
Maybe I should sleep earlier too.
Maybe. And that's basically our daily routine. Similar, but with small differences.
We used a lot of useful words today.
We sure did. Let's go over a few important ones.
Great idea. First word, usually.
Usually means something you do most of the time, your normal habit. For example, I usually drink coffee in the morning.
Right. It doesn't mean always, just most days. I usually drink tea, but sometimes I choose juice.
Another useful phrase, after that.
Yes, it connects actions in order. I wake up, And after that, I brush my teeth.
Exactly. It makes your routine sound natural.
Next word, colleagues.
Colleagues are the people you work with, not friends, not family.
Yes, my colleagues are the other teachers at school.
Then we have the word relax.
Relax means to rest, calm down, or do something easy. I relax by reading.
I relax by playing games. Next phrase, get dressed.
It means to put on your clothes. After my shower, I get dressed.
And the opposite is get changed, like when you come home and put on comfy clothes.
Another common verb is take. Take a shower, take the bus, take a break.
It doesn't mean take, like pick up something. It's just part of the phrase.
Finally, finish, it means something ends. I finish work at 6.
I finish dinner when my plate is empty.
Very useful word.
So today, we went through an entire day, from waking up to going to sleep.
We talked about morning routines, work, lunch, evenings, and bedtime.
And we used lots of helpful vocabulary to describe daily life.
Now it's time for our question of the day. What is your favorite part of the day and why?
Tell us in the comments. We read every single one.
Thank you so much for watching.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to Oh Meow Easy English.
New conversations are coming every week.
Keep practicing, keep learning.
And have a wonderful day.
Goodbye.